Hello viewers, good morning. Today I am going to discuss with the constitutional law of India. Okay, this subject is very important one because constitutional law is very important thing for our Indian nations because without a constitutional law the sovereignty of the government will not function properly because this constitution law is to regulate the government machinery. That meaning is government functions. So constitutional law is classified under three divisions. Number one is written and unwritten constitutions. Number two, unitary and federal constitution. Number three, flexible and rigid constitutions. Because law is an instrument. Law is a instrument in your human life. Because how the instrument will be utilized for the musicians. Without the instrument, the music will not play, right? So, same thing, this constitution or law is an instrument which regulates human behavior and ensure peace and security in the society. And also, the constitution in any contrary regulates the affairs between the individuals and also state. You know meaning of the states under Article 12 of the Indian Constitution. State meaning is our Indian nations comparatively in international law. In municipal law, the state is name is considered as individual or particular state government. For example, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, and etc. etc. But as per the constitution law, the state described about Indian national, the union and its territory, the whole part of the Indian states. Okay, definition of constitution because many of the jurists also described the meaning and definition of the constitution, and few of the jurists I'm going to discuss in this video. The word constitution is derived from the French word. That meaning is French word is constitutro. Constitutro. That meaning is emerged from the this emerged from the Latin word, which means to establish. To establish, and it also means rules, regulations, and orders. Only three: rules, regulations, and orders. It is a text, meaning of the text or document. So, this constitution, a document containing the fundamental principles or fundamental rules to determine and regulate between the state or regulate between the government and the people. Government and the people. Okay, according to Aristotle, he defined constitutions man a social animal. Man a social animal, and also he defined as the way of life which the state has chosen for itself. This is from the Aristotle definitions. And another jurist, Dicey, Professor Dicey, explained about definition of a constitution is an eminent jurist. He defined about the constitution is the product of all those rules which affect the sovereignty of a state. And another jurist, Austin. Okay, Austin says that definition of constitution is constitution fixes the structure of supreme government. Okay, so the above three jurists explain different manners. Okay, the point of view is same, but explain or their individual explanation is differ from person to person. That's all. Okay, the meaning and definitions. Constitution is the law of the land. It is also known as national law or municipal law. National law is deals with all over India. This constitution is applicable to the all part of the India. This municipal law meaning is municipal means particular states, comparing to the international law. Okay, comparing to international law, this municipal law, the name is called individual country law. That's all. But in national wide, the municipal law is meaning is differ. That meaning is municipal law is particular state law. Okay. So this constitution is the supreme law of the law which determines the government machinery of a state comprising of the executive, legislature and judiciary. In other words, constitutional law of a country lays down the rules or principles or provisions for working of the constitution of a country. Okay, students. Many several definitions also available constitutional law definitions. The Marshall, Kilkey, Professor Dicey, and Selman also explain about definitions of the constitution. Okay, I'm closing. Before I'm closing this video, I just wanted to clear about definition of Selman. Okay, not definition of Selman. Selman definition of constitution. What he says about constitutional law is, as its name implies, the body of those legal rules and also which determines the constitution of the state. Okay, so it is not possible to draw any hard and fast line between the constitution and the remaining portion of the state's organizations. So neither therefore it is possible of draw any such line between constitutional law and other branches of the legal system. Okay, okay, viewers, I'm closing this video. We'll meet again next video classes. Continuation will be coming soon. Bye. Take care.